Jupiter's moon Europa generates enough oxygen to keep 1 million people alive for a day, NASA says. Welcome, I hope you enjoy, then subscribe and like. NASA's Juno mission has made a significant discovery about Europa, one of Jupiter's icy moons. According to their findings, Europa generates approximately 1,000 tons of oxygen every 24 hours. While this quantity could sustain 1 million people for a day, it is notably less than previous estimates suggested. This revelation stems from Juno's meticulous observations, indicating that Europa's oxygen production is significantly lower than previously thought. Despite this, the findings are crucial in shedding light on Europa's potential habitability. Scientists believe Europa holds promise as a potential site for extraterrestrial life, primarily due to its vast underground ocean, which may contain twice the water volume of Earth. The process through which Europa produces oxygen is distinct from Earth's photosynthesis. Europa's oxygen generation is a consequence of the interaction between Jupiter's radiation and the Moon's frozen water ice surface. This interaction splits water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen gas. However, the fate of this oxygen remains uncertain, as it could become trapped in the ice, escape into space, or descend into Europa's subsurface ocean. To measure Europa's surface oxygen production, scientists utilized the Jovian Auroral Distributions Experiment (JADE) instrument on board the Juno spacecraft. While JADE was originally designed to study charged particles in Jupiter's auroral regions, it successfully measured the particles emitted from Europa's atmosphere during a flyby in September 2022. This data allowed scientists to estimate the amount of oxygen generated on Europa's surface. Despite this progress, uncertainties remain regarding how much oxygen reaches Europa's subsurface ocean. NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission, scheduled for launch in October 2024, aims to address this question by studying Europa's inner structure and potentially identifying oxygen in its subsurface ocean. However, while the presence of oxygen is a significant factor in determining Europa's habitability, its absence does not conclusively rule out the possibility of life. Life on Earth existed for a considerable period before the emergence of oxygen, suggesting that other factors could support life on Europa. In conclusion, NASA's Juno mission has provided valuable insights into Europa's oxygen production, furthering our understanding of its potential to sustain life beyond Earth. As scientists continue to analyze the data and prepare for future missions, the quest to unravel Europa's mysteries and explore its habitability continues. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget subscribe and like.